Hello, hello, my grade ones. It's time for your active learning at home lesson. Hi, moms and dads. Today's lesson is vowel substitution. Vowel substitution. And today we are going to understand vowels, and if you replace a vowel, you'll get another word. Vowel substitution is difficult, so you have to watch carefully, but don't be nervous. Let's breathe in and out. Are you ready? Let's go. The first thing we look at in our activity are the vowels. The first one is A. If you take a look carefully at the two hands together, this one is A. Then you have E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Say that with me. A, E, I, O, U. And what are the vowels? The first thing we find are that the vowels are quite easy to look at, that you can make them with your hands. A nice way to try them out again with me is to put your two hands together to make A. Put your other hand together to make E. Straight up fingers, I. Your index finger and your thumb makes O. And point to the sky to make U. Good. Let's take a look quickly. There's your A. Again, I'm going to make a little arrow so that you can see it. E, I, O, U. So your vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Let's see what are we going to do with these vowels. Vowels are all the letters except the consonants. So if you look carefully here, I've made all the vowels in black. There's your A, E, I, O, oops, and U. Sometimes the Y is also a vowel. So we find vowels in almost every word. And if you don't find a vowel, you're going to find a Y. And we'll find out about that later on. All the other letters are consonants. The red letters are all consonants. You learned about that in a previous lesson. If you haven't learned about that yet, please look for that lesson in this index. But you have your A, your E, your I, your O, and your U, and your sometimes Y, which are vowels. Let's see what we're going to do next. Look at the pictures. Pictures are familiar. We've used them before. Look at the pictures and say the words with me. Then let's do a middle sound swap. So the first picture is bag, and your vowel here is an A. This picture is a dog, and your vowel here is an O. This picture is sun, and your vowel here is a U. So we want to do a middle sound swap. We need to change this vowel to make a different word. Let's see what we're going to do. We had bag. If we change the A, we will get bug. If you change it again to one of the other vowels, you can get the word big. I'm going to write the word for you. I'm going to change the vowel, the middle sound, and we're going to get the word big. So do you see I changed the vowel? I changed the A here to an A, and then I changed it to an I. So we got bag, bug, big. Right, so let's look at dog. The vowel is O. And if I change the vowel in dog, I'm going to get, what is that dog doing? I'm going to get dig. Very good. So I changed the O to an I, and I got dig. Can I change it again maybe to one of the other vowels? So you're going to get a past tense word called dug. To be able, the dog dug a hole. There's your vowel, there's your vowel. So I've got dog, dig, dug. Here's another little word, sun. If I change the in sun, I'm going to get, what's the boy doing? It's a boy and the word is son. He is my son. He is my son. So we have the same word, but it's written differently. This is the sun in the sky. And this is, I am my father's son. And one of the other words that we can get is if we do bad, then we are going to sin. There we go. And there's your other vowel. So let's look at bag quickly. Bag, I had an A in the middle, I got bag. Then I put a A in the middle and I got bug. Then I put an E in the middle and I got big. This one here, I have dog. I have an O in the middle. Now I put an I in the middle, I get dig. And here I put an A in the middle and I get dug. This one is sun, that shines in the sky. I have an A there. I change the A to an A and I get son, my father's son. And over here, if you do bad things, then you sin. Not so difficult, but you need to think a little bit. Let's see. What do we do here? Look at the pictures and say the words with me. Then let's do a middle sound swap. So you've got nut, cat, hat. Nut, cat, hat. Can we do a middle sound swap? I wonder. I changed the nut to net. Good. Look at cat. Can we do a middle sound swap? What is that? It's a cot. Good. Now I have hut. Can I do a middle sound swap? I'm going to get hat. Very good. I think you've got the hang of it now, right? It's not always a middle sound swap, but for simple reasons and so that you can understand it nicely, it is swapping the vowels for another vowel to make a new word. A, E, I, O, U. See? Right. This is your activity, so let's look at the words. If you swap the middle sound, you're going to get a new word. And I'm going to give you the pictures to help you. So the word is cap. And if I swap the middle sound, I'm going to get, I'm not going to tell you, hat. And if I swap the middle sound, I'm going to get, I'm not going to tell you. And the last one is cat. And if I swap the middle sound, I'm going to get, good. I want you to write that for me and to write the words as well and maybe draw a picture. So for more fun, to find out about vowel substitution, please go to this YouTube channel and enjoy swapping out the vowels to make new words. I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. Till next time, goodbye.